The Indian government's commitment to improve air quality has led to the adoption of stricter emission standards, regulating both agriculture and off-highway construction equipment, introducing stringent limits on emissions. In order to meet these limits, OEMs have upgraded their engine hardware by optimizing the use of exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, and increasing fuel injection pressure. The result? Engines running hotter. And with the increased EGR, the impact is higher soot loading onto the engine oil, all putting more demand on its ability to protect, control, and perform. Conventional API CF4 engine oils will not be able to meet the increased protection and efficiency demanded by these upgrades, putting equipment, productivity, and efficiency at risk. Engine oils meeting API CI4 and above specification are specially formulated to handle hotter engines and higher soot loading. So you have the improved wear protection, oxidative stability you need for today's construction equipment and tractors, delivering peace of mind and proven performance to meet TREM 4 hardware changes, providing the benefit of a lower cost of ownership and improved equipment performance. Building for the future. Growing benefits for business, communities and the planet. Harvesting the benefits of scientific expertise for generations to come. Engine oil technology to meet tomorrow's challenges.